Ankara, vibrant, bold, and full of cultural pride, has become one of the most powerful ways for couples to express unity and style. In today's video, we're showcasing stunning Ankara styles for couples, along with smart tips on how to style them beautifully for any occasion. 1. Coordinated, not cloned. Matching doesn't always mean identical. Couples can wear the same fabric in different ways, like a structured blazer for him and a flowing gown for her. This creates a stylish contrast while keeping the look harmonious. 2. Choosing the right fabric. When picking Ankara for couples outfits, go for high-quality 100% cotton or super wax prints. These hold shape well, photograph beautifully, and feel comfortable on the skin. If you're looking for something soft and luxurious, polished cotton or stretchy Ankara blends are also great options. 3. Go bold or go soft. Bright, bold patterns make a statement, but soft and subtle prints can be just as elegant. Think about the event. If it's a wedding or photo shoot, vibrant prints shine. For casual outings, consider neutral tones or small patterns that still reflect African heritage with a modern touch. 4. Add stylish layers. Don't be afraid to layer. Men can pair their Ankara shirts with plain trousers or even denim for a smart casual look, while women can throw on a kimono or Ankara jacket over a simple dress for added flair. 5. Accessorize together. Accessories make a huge difference. A matching head wrap and cap can tie your looks together. Think beaded jewelry, bangles, or traditional beads for a regal touch. Even footwear can be coordinated, sandals, loafers, or heels in complementary tones. 6. Mix fabrics for texture. Elevate your look by mixing Ankara with other fabrics like velvet, satin, lace, or chiffon. This works beautifully for couples who want a fusion of traditional and modern styles. 7. Keep comfort in mind. Whether you're attending a traditional wedding or having a casual date, comfort is key. Choose styles that allow you to move freely and enjoy the moment, especially for long events. Ankara styles for couples are more than fashion. They're a celebration of love, culture, and creativity. Whether you go all out or keep it simple, your outfits should reflect your personal connection and shared pride. Which Ankara couple style will you try next? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful fashion ideas and endless sewing inspiration. See you in the next video.